Hey there, I'm Natasha Antonioni, and today we're doing a neighborhood spotlight in SOCO, aka South of Congress, because that is what the street is named. There's boutiques, there's restaurants, there's amazing people watching, and of course, there's music. You really get the sense of what the culture of this town is all about. We're at Guero's Taco Bar, currently owned by Lyle and Bet. Their parents opened it back in 1986, and they used to come here as little girls, and they fell in love with the whole process that now they own the business. I came here for the first time when I was pregnant with my almost 10-year-old, when I was thinking about moving to Austin, and I lived in Los Angeles. So this is just like a super yummy spot for me, and I think it's a yummy spot for Austin at large. Today we're strolling through South Congress. I wanted to show you this amazing neighborhood because it really is like the heart of Austin. So let's go check it out. Cheers. Here we are right outside Guero's, where there is always live music, good food, an open bar, lots of people hanging out. Here we are at Tesoros. I love this place. It's like a little bit of Mexico right here in Austin. Cutest little gifts ever, and it's a great place to take friends when they're visiting in town. I mean, check out the line out the door. Here we are at Lucy in Disguise. Wait till you see what's inside. You can rent or buy anything you want and make it happen. Here we are at Mothfrey, where they have Stetson hats that are custom fitted to your head, and they're hand molded. It's amazing. Totally Austin, baby. Whether you're looking for a custom hat or some cowboy boots, everything you need is right here. Let's go check out Allen's Boots. I mean, look at these babies. Where else are you going to find this? Just the smell in here. It's like yummy, delicious leather smell. Here we are at the SOCO Hotel on South Congress, and I love this place. It's great for a drink before you go out to dinner. It's also got Cafe Nose, which is excellent for brunch. Beautiful food in a beautiful environment. I just love the style of this hotel. Come check it out. South Congress Hotel is a modern space that was designed by architect Michael Su, with 3 restaurants, a beautiful lobby bar, a coffee shop, as well as a beautiful rooftop pool with a killer view of SoCo. The hotel's aesthetic is sleek and simple, with leather couches, wooden floors, and furniture in the suites, creating a southwestern hipster vibe. So here we are at Perla's, an amazing outdoor, they have an indoor, but it's really all about the outside. Great people watching on the street, and what you want to order is the oysters and champagne. The San Jose Hotel. Guests can escape from the hustle and the bustle of South Congress into this stunning but minimal space with concrete floors and a serene environment. The entrance is right off the SOCO sidewalk, but it's easily missed because of the wall of ivy. It's kind of like this VIP vibe when you go to the back, and it feels like a zen bar, patio, and pool area. What was your favorite part of this video today? Leave a comment below. If you like this kind of thing, then make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notified every single Tuesday when we have new videos coming out. We hope to see you soon, and don't forget to live your dream already. Bye.